Okay. I kind of. Hi guys, so I'm here with Gabriel. Look at their face. Look at their
I'm looking
face.
at you. Okay, keep going. As we know, we have no budget for editing. Okay, go.
Okay, so all of you know that coronavirus is it right now. Just to ask Gabriel, so what are the changes? What have you realized? What have you learned so far now that we have to close and we have to stop the kids from coming?
Okay. The first, there are many learnings. and I want to make it a quick one. One of the learnings is how parents feel lost at home. The fact that they feel that there's nothing much to do, or the kids will be bored, they have to entertain the kids and all that stuff. The way I look at it is a brand new opportunity given to us. The opportunity given to us is to now ground and rebuild this family value system. The fact we have to allow our children to realize that family comes first. And I felt that we have lost it over the last few years. And what Corona has done is, it has now brought us together in one household, and we all have to be together. Now is the time to bring out the board games, to learn how to wash the dishes together, clean the house together, crazy conversations together, karaoke singing together. Now is the moment. Create new moments, create new memories. I think that's it for now, and then we'll talk about it in the next round.